Hello. Hey, hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the next session of SAP ABAP on HANA training series. Thank you for choosing JK Tutorials. So we will continue our last session where we have left. So in the last session, we have seen which are the tools which are useful for us for fixing the issues whichever are there in the system whenever we are moving to the suite on HANA. So here we have seen like for A, we are having this database layer, this is the architecture, and when we move to the B here, leave that B just for our learning purpose. Okay, so that is second procedure, suite on HANA, where they've only changed the database. Okay, then the third is they've changed the database. Database is HANA database only, but they have changed some data models. Also, they have came up with the new tables and also removed some old tables. Okay, so when the database will change, obviously there will be some effect with the code also. Okay, so once again, so I have told you like some of the issues, some of the things which will come here. Yeah, like if the data is in unsorted manner, all those things I have told you. Okay, so today we will see. So today we will see like what is SCI. Okay, the two tools. One is SCI and another is ATC. SAP Code Inspector and again and ATC. I have text code bit. Okay, okay. So SCI is SAP Code Inspector. Okay. So coming to the first tool, which is SAP Code Inspector. So well, now to demonstrate you those things in practical world, what I have done is we will create one program. Okay, so we will create one program where going ahead, we will create one demo program, and also I will share those demo programs with you also. Okay, so guys, can you find the activity yourself? Okay, you have to do that activity yourself also. Create that, download that program, and copy paste into your system and create it. Okay, clear, guys? Okay. Also, you can do all those programs, store that into one package. Okay, so what is a package? Everyone you know, like which is a hub of all object, correct? So your company would have definitely created a package, the package under which your all the objects are lying. Your function modules, reports includes, okay, everything you created under that package, correct? So guys, you can do this analysis. Both of these analysis either you can do SCI and ATC both on board. You can do on a single object like you on a single program, or you can do on the whole package. Okay. So you can do the analysis by either using SAP GUI or you can use SAP GUI Eclipse through Eclipse. Okay, through ADT, or you can once again let me show you guys. Okay, so you can do analyze using backend here from SAP GUI screen, or you can do from the front end. Oh, sorry, ADT. Okay, so this is my Eclipse. You can directly click Control 6 there. Let's log in. Okay, so it will open the SAP GUI here. You will give an tick code here. You can do the same from the backend. Or what you can do is you can log into the backend. Okay, so let's create one package where we will store all the programs. Firstly, we will see once again. So, firstly, what we will see how can we do the SCI and ATC check on a single object. Okay, so let's give a program package name as C code inspector. Okay, okay. Save this. Save that. like this. Okay, so this is our package now, which we will going to use. Now let's create one report. Go to SC38, see, create one program for service. Okay, let's give the package name there, save it, continue. Okay, so guys, we have created one program where let's write something and which will give some ATC tools. Okay, here it will not give any syntax error or not any term, but it will give us the ATC tag errors. Okay, sorry, SCI tag errors. Okay, you give me a yeah, guys. So I will create a program. After it, I will resume this. Okay, without wasting the time. Wait. Yeah, guys. So I have created this program. Okay, so save and can check when activate. Okay. So I will use this program for my SCI step. Okay. Give me a moment. So before that, if we will go there, 1 second. Yeah. So where can we do this? SCI and ATC check both. We can do them on second insert. Okay. We can do by using SAP GUI. Okay. And by using ADT. Okay. This is our first tool. ADT is our same web development tool. Eclipse. Okay. So you can do the analysis both in the GUI and in the using ADT. Okay. Now guys, watch out here. This may be very confusing. This is our ADT. It's a very confusing at times for those who are really not listening. Okay, properly. You see this word ADC. Okay. So my ATC. Second, let me write here about both the tools here also. One is SCI and another is ATC. Okay. So guys, this ATC and AGT is very like confusing over here. So what is the full form of AGT and ATC? So the candidates who got completely confused, he gave up. He gave up. Don't give up for this kind of tricky question. ATC is our web test cockpit and AGT is our one second. AGT is our web development tools. All right. So you will never, don't ever forget this. This is very interview question. Okay, it's a showcasing here. The interview question like, will you remember this the difference between ATC and ADT? So ATC is a tool to identify and check your code quantity quality against different variants, and ADT is a development tool which allows you to do web development on Eclipse. So this is the difference between these. Okay. So what is this? I will write here ADT and ATC. So what is the difference between this? ATC is a tool. What type of tool? Once again, ATC is a tool. What type of tool? Tool to identify and check your code quality against different variants. Okay. And what is ADT? It is ADT. ADT is the ABAP development tool, okay, which allows us to do ABAP development on Eclipse. So this is a big difference between ADT and ATC. Both words are looking same, but there is a big difference between both. Okay, so ATC is a tool to identify and check your code quality, and ADT is a development tool. All right. So let's go back, and we will first now see the SCI. Okay, guys. So one second. So I'll get it this demo program. Let me share you my screen again. Okay. So one second, let me log in. So I have this program which I just created. I will also give this program to you into the notepad file. You can download it from here. Okay, and copy paste into your system, and you can do the analysis, do the same task into your system also. Okay. Okay. The program which you have created is C demo SCI underscore ZK. Okay. One second, guys. This is my program which I have just created. So we will perform the SCI test on this program. Okay, now to if you will check and activate check, it's not having any of the syntax error. Okay, so this is my program where I have done some kind of let's say some kind of web code. Okay, let's imagine some web code, custom web code your company have written. Okay, you have written your some developers or second. Okay, yeah, developers or programs will work fine, and I have now they are work. It's all this code is working fine in our normal database, other than database. Now I have moved to the HANA database, or will it go under arrange category? Okay, read category or some kind of red category. You want to cross check that if there is a problem, if there is a problem within the program, so I will check this. So now I will go to the SCI, SAP Code Inspector. Now and here I will create something. One second, let me go to the SCI first. So the T code for SCI is T code SCI only. Okay. So let me write here also. So what is the T code for this? So the T code is SCI only. Okay. So we will go there and let's create some object set. Firstly, we will create one object set. One second. So let's give the object set name here as Z. Okay. B O set, O B set. ZK. Okay. Let's click on create button. Okay. So here you will see object choice pure you can do unselect this because we are doing this for a single object as of now, single program. So in the object type, right, PRO star F4. Okay. We'll do F4 program select program, and here in the object name, copy paste your program name. This is my program name. Okay. Go there, paste it. Okay, enter. Now save this. And guys, please don't forget to unselect this. Okay, otherwise it will check for all those things. Save this. Okay. So this is my object set. Okay, and just I just created a set, and in the set I have put it my program name, and I will say just check for this program. If this program fits to SAP HANA migration or not. After my code debit moves to HANA, will it work or not? Or will it have some problem? So I just save the set, just go back And now guys, SAP have giving some standard check variants. So SAP understand your needs. They are already giving you something called as functional DB variant. Okay. Hence you can do in right here as functional, press star, click on F4. Okay. You will find something called functional DB. Okay, here we have the functional DB variant. And this is a pre-delivered by SAP. You don't need to do anything. It's already there in your system. Okay, so every system it will find it. Okay, this is already there in your system. In every system, you will find this variant functional DB. Okay. So double click on this. You see functional DB variant, and now that's what you have to check. Now you can click on display. Okay, guys. Where all type of checks it will do. So inside and you see these kinds of checks it will do. So you see critical statements like this once again. Yeah, you can see check syntax check, test of load size program, just setting program SLN, generate other programs. All type of checks it will do. As for HANA custom code checks. Okay, look, field length extension. We will see this also. For which edit element there in HANA, this length has changed. Okay, so all those things we can do through. This is predefined by SAP. Okay, guys. Now, yeah. So these are all such programmatic statements. Like here you can see open. Okay, so this clear, guys. So now let's create one inspection for this program. Let's go back in the inspection. What you have to do, give the inspection name. Say create it. Okay. Copy this object set object will click on create. Here in the object set name, give your object set name. Press. And guys, please remind, it will not work if you will write here. Okay, it will only work because you have to select it from the F4. What is your name? Okay, now in the object set name, what I will do is I will write here functional, my variant name only. Okay, functional star and click on F4. You will see something called as functional DB. Okay, I will choose this variant. Now I will save this first. Okay, well, please follow the same steps, otherwise it will not work. Okay, create. Okay, select everything. Select object set name and variant from the F4 help. Okay, only then it will done. Now save this and then let's execute it. So I have executed this. Okay. Can you think like for which object it has checked against the functional DB variant? Which object it created against? So did it check everything in my entire system? All my custom reports, custom programs, custom things. Did it execute it for the entire system? What do you think? No, it just executed for the system Z program. Sorry, it just executed for the Z program. That Z program which I built it before our class for all of you. Okay, so exactly, you're right, guys. Now I will quickly go to the log and investigate what will happen to my that Z program when I move to the HANA. So you can see this result is there. Okay, so we will go there. What are all those things which will not work? Okay. So guys, okay, you see out these errors? This is what your manager is looking the real stuff, the real data. That gives you the confidence of what will not work. See here, boss, if you are going to HANA, better you fix this, you will have these problems. Okay, expand it and let's see what we found here. Okay, we will go. Once again, yeah. Where are the errors? Is the real robot programming? Okay, we will go there. You can see. Here, guys, look here. These are all the issues. It found an error. Actually it's a critical one. Okay, the red one is critical one. Okay, what does it say? There's a particular row number. It's saying line number 12, line number 17. It's giving us the error on which line you have done the mistake. Okay, there is something called as look at not delete. So guys, delete adjacent duplicate for result, which we have discussed over here. Where why it's giving this error? Delete adjacent duplicates. Where here I written na delete adjacent duplicates will not work for the operation and will produce bad results. Why it's showing that? Because we have not looked into our program here on which line item it's saying yes 17. Okay, we must 19. Sorry. What is saying delete adjacent duplicate? Why it's giving this error? Because we have not sorted this. That's why it's giving this delete adjacent duplicate error. Okay, guys, it's only because of no sorting done. Without order by clause, you are searching data. Okay, you will return the select query without order by clause. Okay, so these are some issues which will affect you. Okay, here you are doing loop the WT internal table. This one. Okay, loop at item and at. Okay, guys, it is clear. Check here. Okay. So you see, this is how the whole variant run executes and find out those critical problems, and that's time for you to fix these issues. Without which, if you go to database migration, it will successfully work. But probably you get good results. It's a yellow category. Okay, for some warnings also you will get some information. You will get in the green color. Okay, so here it's red because according to the above system, it's like integrity with the data you are playing with. The data you are showcasing is wrong data to the user. From about perspective, it's a very critical error. But as you all know, for a person activate, it's an error, but it won't lead to a dump. There is no dump. But again, it's a really big problem if the user see wrong data. Okay, so this has to be fixed. How do you fix it? No problem. You can go back, and this is one way to using SCI. Is this clear? SCI is clear, guys. So we will see first ATC, then we will see how can we fix this. Okay. So you can also use ATC to do the same activity. Okay, it will give ATC will also give the same result, absolutely the same behavior, same results. Okay, so let me show you ATC. ABAP test cockpit, and now you see the ATC. What is the code for ATC is? Let me go there. Yeah, ATC is our ABAP test cockpit. Okay. So what is the T code for this? T code is for this also is ATC only. We go there, ATC. So what I will do? I will say help please can you create execution run. Okay. So will is this clear, guys? Yeah. So guys, this is my ATC test code bit. What you will do, we will go to schedule run here, we will create new here. Okay. We will go to engineering and we can give what package name here, we can give the object set name here. So we will do this process this demo in the next session. Okay. So then we will go to monitor and test cockpit. We will execute this. We can see here. Okay. So we will do all those things in the next session. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.